We present to your attention a rolling-up car mechanics lounger model NORDBERG N30C4 with a folding headrest. A soft foam mattress will provide comfort and convenience when working. This device greatly facilitates access to the bottom of motor vehicles if there is no viewing pit. The sunbed has 6 wheels on ball bearings that rotate freely depending on where you need to move the sunbed. They will provide easy and convenient movement around the work area. The height of the sunbed is 110 mm, the total length is 1020 mm. Thanks to the durable metal base, the sunbed is able to withstand a load of up to 115 kg. It is possible to adjust the headrest. 3 positions for convenience when working. The head will not go numb, unlike flat sunbeds.